This training video describes how to begin configuring a new process in the Enforcer Smart Manufacturing software. This initial configuration involves defining the site, line, and stations that are included in the new process. The site is the location or facility where the software is installed. Under the Site menu, the site name and description can be defined. The site ID is automatically assigned. Once the site is defined, the line can be configured. Enter the name and the description of the new line. A name tag can also be entered but is not required. Once the line is defined, the stations required for the line should be configured. Station definition involves two steps: defining any new station types and defining the new stations under those types. Defining station types provides the ability to restrict process operations to a particular type of workstation. It also provides the ability to group results from similar stations. To add a new station type, select Stations from the menu, then select Station Types on the menu bar. Move the cursor to the bottom row of the table and double-click on the name or description cell. Enter both the name and the description fields. When done, select the Save button in the top right corner. Next, select Stations on the menu bar and select the station type from the pull-down list. Enter the new stations by double-clicking on the name field on the bottom row. Enter the name, description, line, and any other required information for this station. Repeat this procedure for all station types and stations required for the new line. When all of the stations have been added, you are ready to proceed to the process setup portion of configuration. Please refer to the operation definition video for details on the next step of process configuration.